Hello, welcome to Alyson's World. I'm Alyson and this is my daddy. And today we're gonna be making a chocolate ice cream. Sandwich, and then we have a 6 tablespoon cocoa powder. And then we have our condensed milk. We have a few pieces of marshmallow. We have our all-purpose cream. Before it wasn't chilled, but our ice cream was still delicious. And now it's chilled. And then we have our Hershey's milk chocolate in there. And we have our graham cracker. And now we're going to start by whipping our all-purpose cream.
Okay.
My daddy is going to cut it for me.
So I think for this all-purpose cream, this is still liquidy, no?
Yes, it's still very liquidy.
Unlike the other one, it's not liquidy.
Now it's locked and we're going to turn it on.
Faster.
And then we're going to make it go faster and faster.
Then we're going to chop the chocolate.
Now we're going to chop the chocolate.
Alyson likes to chop this one. Alyson is chopping it out. We're going to make it into small pieces.
Yeah, it definitely looks melted. It's melted already.
Oh,
Yeah. It melted. Yeah.
okay, it's melted. Later we are going to mix it here.
Spatula, please. Please have a spatula.
Okay, now we are going to mix the, put in the condensed milk.
Condensed milk. Cocoa powder.
You have it back.
Okay.
How you want to put it. And you're going to put in our melted chocolate.
Yeah, our melted chocolate. That is really melty.
Maybe because our temperature here is so hot. Just put this aside.
Okay, I'll take that to the kitchen. Put it back in.
We'll lock it.
We'll lock it and start.
Okay.
Faster and faster.
Oh, excellent. Slowly, slowly.
Okay,
Okay, we're going to mix this one.
again.
Okay, I think this is good enough now, Alyson.
Yes.
Ah, it's okay. Wow. Or we can put this one there first. Let's put it here first.
Okay.
Then you can spread the marshmallow Just spread it around. And we will put graham crackers on top. So this is our ice cream chocolate sandwich. And tomorrow we will find out if it's good. Okay. Come on, Alyson.
Okay.
I would also like to thank Sheila
I will.
for my shirt.
And I would like to thank my Apple Sheila for the shirt too.
It says what?
It says YouTube and Alyson's World. Thank you for watching the video. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.